Sinahi magazine for the blind.
Today we're doing a lesson on object personal pronouns. Okay, we saw the other day subject personal pronouns, and today we'll continue with object personal pronouns. And a pronoun means or replaces the name of a person, a thing, an animal, or a place. Okay, so pronouns are words that replace or take the place of the name of a person, a thing, this means an object, an animal, or a place. I'll start the lesson by reminding you about the subject pronouns, and at the same time I'll give you their corresponding object pronouns. So we have the subject pronoun I. The corresponding object pronoun is me. Me goes with I, okay? You is the subject pronoun, and the object pronoun is also you. You have you as a subject pronoun or as the subject pronoun, and you as the object pronoun. He is the subject pronoun, and him is the object pronoun. She, subject pronoun. Her is the corresponding object pronoun. With it, the subject pronoun it, we use it, or the corresponding object pronoun for the subject pronoun it is it also. Okay, it is the subject pronoun and it is the object pronoun. And then we have the plural, the first person plural we, which is the subject pronoun. The corresponding object pronoun for we is us. You, the subject pronoun, the plural form, we get you as well. Okay, you, it's all the same. The subject pronoun is you and the object pronoun is you as well. And the last one is they, the third person plural they. It is the subject pronoun and the object pronoun for they is them. Them, okay? And a subject pronoun, why do we call it a subject pronoun? Okay, just a reminder, just to help you make the difference between subject and object pronouns. We call it a subject pronoun because it is used in the place of the subject in a sentence. And we mean by subject the thing or the person who's doing the action, who's doing the verb, the doer of an action or the doer of a verb. I'll give you an example sentence so that you can understand that clearly, okay? We have he ate the cake, okay? He ate the cake. He, here the subject pronoun, we call it subject because it is, or it takes the place of the subject in a sentence, and it is the doer of the verb. So who does the verb of eating, the action of eating in this sentence is the he, the pronoun he, which replaces the name of a person. It can be Joe. Joe ate the cake. He does, or he did the action of eating here in this sentence. And the object pronoun, on the other hand, is the receiver of the verb. Okay? It receives, an object pronoun receives the action, receives the verb. So, in other words, whatever action the subject does, it affects the object. It has an influence on the object. He ate the cake, so the cake here is the object, and it receives the action of eating. Okay? Here the subject is he. He did the action. The action is eating, the verb ate, and the receiver of the action of the eating, of the verb ate, is the object, the cake. He ate the cake. Is it okay up to now?
Okay.
How about the others?
Okay,
Miss.
okay,
It's very
Miss.
clear.
I understood.
It's
Okay,
okay.
Miss Ruqayya.
Okay, I understand.
Good. So let's look at these object pronouns in detail now. Okay, we've got me for the speaker. I am the speaker. Are you talking to me? Okay, so me refers back to the speaker, the one who speaks. You refers to the listener. I told you not to do that. I told you not to do that. I, the subject, told. The verb you is the object pronoun, okay? The object pronoun, it can be, I'm addressing, for example, Jilan, and told her, but I told you not to do that. So I told you not to do that. Here you is the object pronoun, the receiver of the action. Then for the third person singular, we've got he for a male person. This is the subject pronoun. The object pronoun is him. Him. I saw him yesterday on the bus. Then she for a female person is the subject pronoun. The object pronoun for she is her. Her. I saw her at the bus station. I'm talking about somebody, a girl. Then I say I saw her. It can be I saw Jilan at the bus stop. And here Jilan is the object, the receiver of the verb seeing, the action of seeing, and Jilan is the object which receives this action. It can be replaced by the object pronoun her. I saw her at the bus station or at the bus stop yesterday. It is for things, okay, and animals, as we said. It is the subject pronoun and it is the same. It, the object pronoun, okay? The corresponding object pronoun for the subject pronoun it is it, the same. It doesn't change. It stays the same. It as a subject pronoun and it as an object pronoun, and it replaces as an object pronoun, it replaces or it refers to a thing, an animal, a place, or an idea. Okay? For example, that's a great idea. I really liked it. okay? And here it refers back to the word idea. Then we have we, the subject pronoun, and the corresponding object pronoun is us. We, us. Us refers to a group of people, including the speaker, okay? Us refers to a group of people, including the speaker. I am the speaker in this case. So there's a group of people, and I am included. I am among these people. I'll give you an example to make it clear for you to understand. We work for a big company. You can find us on the internet. I'm talking here about a group of people, including myself, including the speaker. This is us, the object, the object pronoun us. Then we have you, which is the plural form for you, the singular form. And by the way, us and we are the plural form for I and me, respectively, okay? We is the plural form for I, and us is the plural form for me. Don't say, are you talking to we? No, we is a subject pronoun. It goes at the beginning of a sentence. We start a sentence with the subject, we, for example, and us is the object. And object pronouns usually, or object, an object always goes after the verb, after the action. And we have, as I said, you, which is the plural form for you in the singular form. Stop, leaving, and joining. This is annoying. Now we are talking about the pronoun you, which is the plural form for you. You is the subject pronoun and it is the object pronoun. You live in Barcelona, for example, and this is when you is a subject pronoun, okay? In this case, you is a subject pronoun. And I'll give you an example. When you is the object pronoun, I'll help you. I'll help you. I will help you. You here is the object. Notice it's the same. Subject pronoun you, object pronoun you, and with they we get them. The object pronoun is them. Okay? So I'll give you the object pronouns once again. We have me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. Is it clear up to now?
Yes, it's clear. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, it's very clear.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
it's clear.
So we said that subject pronouns, okay, are the words that replace the name of a person, a thing, or an animal. And the subject is the person or thing that does the action in a sentence. A subject is the person or a thing who's doing the action of or in a sentence. However, an object, okay, an object pronoun also takes the place of a person, a thing, or an animal, okay, and even a place. But the difference between a subject and an object is that a subject does the action and the object receives the action done by the subject. This means a subject does an action that affects, impacts, that has an influence on the object. So, in other words, the object is the part of the sentence which is acted upon by the subject. Is that okay? So I'll give you
Yes,
some
okay.
some example sentences just to check how much you understood from today's lesson. Look at this dress. Look at this dress. I really love ... What is the correct object pronoun in this sentence? Heavy.
It.
It?
Yes.
Good, perfect. Because dress is a thing, and we said it replaces or takes the place of a thing, an idea, an animal, or a place. So look at this dress. I really love it. Thank you, Hivi. This is Joe. And Joe is the name of a man, okay? I met ... at work.
Him.
No, I'm not talking to you. Okay, good.
Sorry.
Good, it's okay. Good. Him. The correct object pronoun here is him. These are the books I told you about. They're really interesting. I read ... Shajan.
It.
Books. Okay, these are the books. Books in the plural form. I have more than one book. Okay, I told you about. They're really interesting. I read in the past, the verb to read. I read ...
It.
It's not it.
Can I
Because
answer?
Can I?
just a second, I'll try to help her to understand. Maybe she can get the right answer. Okay, thank you. Look, Shajan, here I'm not talking about one book. Okay, book is a thing, non-human. Okay, that's correct. If I'm talking about one book, you can answer it. I read it a few months ago, for example. But here I'm talking about two books or more, a group of books. What is the correct object pronoun here?
I don't know the answer.
Sumaya, can you answer this question?
The answer is them,
Why? Can you tell us why?
because books is plural and they replace books, so we can replace books with them because it's in the plural and it's think.
Perfect. Books
think.
is non-human. Okay, we are talking about plural, a plural thing. The books is in the plural form. We have more than one book, a group of books, maybe 2, 3, we don't know, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that we have more than one book, a group of books, okay? And here we say, and books is non-human, okay? Shajan, we use them as the object pronoun because we are talking about something, and this something is in the plural form. Is it okay now?
Yeah, miss. Thank you.
We have another example. This is Susan. I saw ... at school yesterday. Muhammad, okay, can you answer this question?
Here.
That's great. You got it right. Okay. So he, her, I mean, refers to the name of a girl, and in this example, Susan. That's why we use her. Perfect. Nice job. Is it clear now?
Yes, it's very clear. It's very clear.
Okay, so we did today object pronouns. Object pronouns replace the name of a person, a thing, a place, or an animal. So over them again, once again, quickly. We have me for the speaker. You refers to the listener, one listener, or a group of listeners. Him for one person, and when it is a female person. Her for a female person. It replaces a thing, an animal, a place, or an idea. And we have us for a group of people, including the speaker. Okay. Then we have you. I mentioned it a second ago. You is the plural form for you. And it is also for a group of people, it is the plural form. And they, them, the object pronoun them, we use it for humans and non-humans. When we have a group of people, but it doesn't include the speaker in this case, okay? And we also use it for things, animals, and places. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, that's all concerning today's lesson.
Sinahi Magazine for the Blind.